Good afternoon. I am Anil Agarwal, former Chief Manager, Punjab National Bank. So in this video, we will discuss two important tools, that is Liquidity Adjustment Facility (LAF) and Marginal Standing Facility. And many candidates are confused why these two facilities are there and what is the difference between that. So from very elementary thing we will discuss. Liquidity Adjustment Facility is a facility where Reserve Bank of India manages the liquidity in the banking system. Now, say one bank is having surplus money. If they keep it with themselves, they are not earning any interest. So they are looking for an option that they can deploy this money temporarily and earn income. Because whatever money comes to bank has to pay interest to their clients. And if there is a surplus money with them, naturally they would like to deploy it somewhere which earns them income so that they remain profitable. So RBI provides this window which is named as LAF, where Reserve Bank of India will take this money and offer an interest to them, that is called reverse repo. Repo and bank will earn interest on that. There can be another situation, a bank needs the money, they are not having money, but they need money for temporary period. They can approach Reserve Bank of India and get the money at a rate that is called repo rate. So repo will happen when banks need money from Reserve Bank. Reverse repo will happen when Reserve Bank of India takes the excess money from the bank. These days we are finding that close to 6 lakh crore money is offered by banks to Reserve Bank of India in reverse repo. What is the meaning of repo? Repo is a word derived from repurchase option. So in repurchase option, what is happening? Say bank is taking money, so bank will take the money, in turn it will provide government securities as a security to Reserve Bank. And the moment it returns money to Reserve Bank will give back these securities back to the bank. And that's why it is repurchase option. So it is working like this, that RBI has purchased government securities from you at a predetermined rate, and now they are selling it back at the same rate and they are charging interest from you. So that is LAF. But that is only possible if this bank is having surplus government securities over and above SLR requirement. So each and every bank has to manage SLR. Say at present it is 18%. So say there is a bank which is in need of money and its total investment in government security is 20%. 18% is SLR. So this 2% government securities are available with the bank to take the loan from LAF window. So LAF window is only available if you are having government securities over and above the desired level of SLR. So now it will be easier for you to understand MSF. Now MSF is a window for a bank which does not have excess government securities. Say there is a B bank, SLR requirement is 18% and its investment in SLR securities is also 18%. Now this bank needs money. Now they don't have any excess government securities to offer to Reserve Bank of India. So what is the option before them? The option before them is they can go to MSF, take the money at higher interest and dip into their SLR securities. That means they can offer security out of SLR securities. And that's why MSF is different than LAF. So liquidity adjustment facility is only available to banks. Those are having over and above investment in government securities over SLR limit. But if a bank is having just investment equivalent to SLR and does not have any excess government securities, they have to take from MSF. And that's why there are very few banks, those are taking money under MSF. Most of the banks, they operate under LAF. So LAF is two-way, repo and reverse repo, whereas MSF is only one way. That means only banks are borrowing here. Banks cannot give money to Reserve Bank of India under MSF. Whereas in LAF, there are two legs. One is called repo, another is called reverse repo. I think the concept is amply clear to you. So now I am building more and more videos. This will give you clarity on the concepts. And more your concepts are clear, you can score high in the examination. God bless you all. So there is a playlist of all my videos. Now around 190 videos are there. Develop a habit of watching these videos 5 to 10 daily. It will help you to clear the exam with flying colors. अब यही बातें हम हिंदी में करेंगे. आज के वीडियो में हम समझेंगे LAF और MSF में क्या अंतर है. लिक्विडिटी एडजस्टमेंट फैसिलिटी एक ऐसी फैसिलिटी है जिसमें रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया बैंकों की लिक्विडिटी को मैनेज करता है. अब आप देखिए, ए बैंक है, आज उसके पास कुछ सरप्लस पैसा है. अब इस पैसे को अगर वो अपने पास रखेगा तो कोई ब्याज नहीं मिलेगा. अगर वो रिजर्व बैंक को दे दे तो उसको रिवर्स रेपो इंटरेस्ट रेट मिलेगा. ऐसे ही दूसरा बैंक है, उसको आज अचानक पैसे की जरूरत पड़ गई, कहाँ से मिलेगा? रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया उसको रेपो रेट पे ये पैसा मुहैया करा देगा. अब रेपो है क्या? रेपो शब्द बना है REP, रीपरचेज. O स्टैंड फॉर ऑप्शन. दैट मीन्स यदि हमें इसके अंदर पैसा चाहिए तो इसका तरीका ये है कि रिजर्व बैंक को पैसा देगा और बैंक्स जो उनके पास गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज हैं वो एज सिक्योरिटी रिजर्व बैंक को देंगी. और फिर जैसे ही ये बैंक रिजर्व बैंक का पैसा वापस करेगा, ये सिक्योरिटीज रिजर्व बैंक वापस कर देगा बैंक को. इसको बोलते हैं रेपो, रीपरचेज ऑप्शन. रिवर्स रेपो में उल्टा है. अगर बैंक पैसा दे रहा है रिजर्व बैंक को तो रिजर्व बैंक को सिक्योरिटीज देंगी और वो सिक्योरिटीज उसको वापस मिल जाएंगी. अब ये कौन सी सिक्योरिटीज हैं जो बैंक दे सकता है? ये सिक्योरिटी वो सिक्योरिटी हैं जो SLR सिक्योरिटी से सरप्लस हैं. अब SLR के अंदर 18% आप इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं. अब एक बैंक ने मान लो 20% इन्वेस्टमेंट की हुई है तो उसके पास 2% सिक्योरिटीज सरप्लस है. ये 2% सिक्योरिटीज वो ऑफर करके RBI से पैसा ले सकते हैं. तो दैट मीन्स LAF में केवल उसी बैंक को पैसा मिलेगा जिसके पास SLR की जो इन्वेस्टमेंट की लिमिट है उससे अधिक सिक्योरिटीज है. अगर उसके पास नहीं है अधिक तो वो रेपो पे LAF से पैसा नहीं ले पाएगा. उसके लिए क्या विंडो? MSF. अब मान लो दूसरा बैंक है, उसको पैसे की जरूरत पड़ गई मगर उसकी जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज में 18% ही है जो SLR की लिमिट है. तो उसके पास कोई सरप्लस सिक्योरिटी नहीं है. अब उसको पैसा चाहिए तो रिजर्व बैंक उसको MSF में हायर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे पैसा दे देगा और वो अब SLR सिक्योरिटीज की जो लिमिट है उसको ब्रीच कर सकता है, उसके नीचे जा सकता है बैंक. तो ये फर्क है मोटा मोटा. तो अब जो हम वीडियोस डाल रहे हैं उसमें जितने भी कंसेप्ट्स हैं उसकी और कितनी क्लैरिटी कर सकते हैं वो हम करेंगे, और ताकि आपकी नॉलेज बढ़ती जाए. अब 190 हमारी वीडियोस इसमें चैनल पे उपलब्ध है जो हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में है. मेरी आपको एडवाइस है 5 से 10 वीडियोस डेली देखिए, आपकी नॉलेज बहुत बढ़ेगी. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.